Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the windmill dance. First, always prioritize safety by stretching thoroughly before any practice. Start by mastering the fundamental baby freeze, which provides a stable base. Then, practice rolling smoothly from your back onto your shoulders, ensuring your head is protected. Building strong core muscles through exercises like planks and crunches is absolutely essential for control and injury prevention in this dynamic move. Now, let's master the spin. Begin by pushing off the ground with one hand and the opposite foot, generating initial momentum. It's crucial to keep your body tight and compact, almost like a ball, as you start your rotation. As you come around, extend your legs outward, creating a wider arc to increase and maintain your spinning speed. Always strive to keep your back as flat as possible throughout the entire rotation for optimal form. The legs are key for continuous momentum. As you spin, use your legs to actively drive the rotation, almost like pedaling in the air. Swing one leg powerfully over your body while the other extends, creating a scissor-like action. The goal is a smooth, uninterrupted leg cycle that keeps you moving. Try practicing just the leg movements while lying on your back to build muscle memory before combining it with the full body rotation. Consistent practice is vital for progression. Aim for at least 30 minutes of dedicated practice, 3 to 4 times each week, to build strength and coordination. Always begin on a soft surface, such as a gymnastics mat or a grassy area, to minimize impact. As your confidence grows, gradually increase your spinning speed and the number of continuous rotations you can achieve. Once the basic windmill is solid, feel free to explore exciting variations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.